Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to disable notifications and system sounds on your PC. Windows 10 is the most popular desktop operating system in the world, and while Windows 11 is nipping at its heels, most of us will still be running Microsoft's current OS for the foreseeable future. And even if you use it every day, there's always more to learn. Maybe you don't consider yourself a power user, or perhaps you've made the leap from macOS to Windows. Whatever your comfort level, these tips will help you get more out of your Windows 10 experience. Some of these tricks originated from an older generation of Windows, while others are new to this iteration. If you are having issues on your Windows 10 PC, then there is nothing to worry about. Notification and system sounds are used to alert the user whenever an important action is performed. In order to turn off the system sounds in Windows 10, you need to do the following steps. Right-click the speaker's icon on the taskbar and select Volume Mixer. Now you can choose which apps you want to mute or unmute. You can even reduce their volumes. To disable all the notification sounds for all the apps, open the Start menu and type in the search bar Settings. Locate where it's written System. Go to Notifications, and toggle off Show App Notifications. Please note that it will also turn off all the notifications and not only the sounds for the notifications. This is handy Windows 10 tip that ensures that you can work without getting disturbed. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.